In this cash cow review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money by playing games on this app. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if cash cow is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So the way it works is that you have to download this app and you can play a lot of games, and in exchange of these games that you play, you're going to be earning coins. I'm going to be telling you how much these coins are worth towards the end of the video, but you're going to be getting paid these coins for every minute that you play with them. So suppose if you download this app called Family Farm from Cash Cow, and the pay is probably going to be 400 or 500 coins per minute. But that might sound a lot at the start when I tell you guys, but the problem is that these 400 500 coins are going to dip the more you play. So the strategy that they are trying to do is they are somehow trying to make you get into the game and make you guys start playing games so that they can make money. So the way that they make money is by ad revenue. So while you're playing games, you're going to be seeing a lot of ads while you're playing, and that's how they are making money. And the portion of the ad revenue they pay it to us just because we are just playing the games. So the problem is that when you start first, it's going to be 500 coins per minute, but it's significantly gonna go down by a lot. And other ways that you can make money with cash cow is by surveys, but I suggest you guys stay away from surveys because they pay very little money. So every survey that you complete, you're only going to be getting about maybe like 4 coins to 9 coins. That's what my report was. So that's the maximum you can be earning with surveys. So I suggest you guys stay away from the survey. I think making money with games is way better because you can be making more money with the games rather than doing survey, because each survey is going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's definitely not worth your time. And also you have cool payment options, so you can either get paid via PayPal or Amazon gift card or some other gift cards that's available in your retail country. So I think for most people, PayPal would be a good option, and withdrawing your money by PayPal would be nice. But for people who would love to do with gift cards, you can go with the gift cards as well. So the big question is, how much money can you actually make with this app right here called Cash Cow? So I would say roughly with an app like Cash Cow, you can probably make around 50 cents per hour. So that's the maximum you can be making per hour. So if you continuously play Family Farm for about an hour, you're probably going to be getting about 50 cents after you convert those coins. So one more thing guys, you're going to be getting 4,500 coins as bonus as soon as you start the Cash Cow app, as soon as you log in, and then you have to add up some more coins in order to withdraw via PayPal. So it's pretty cool. You can get paid out, but the problem is the amount you spend is just too much. So for you guys to make probably $5, it's going to take you probably like 12 to 15 hours, I would say. So that's probably the time that is going to be taking for you guys to make at least $5 per day. So I really don't think it's a good way to make money because the payment is very low. Probably the average people are making is 30 cents, and the maximum it can go is probably 50 cents. So suppose if you're making 30 cents every hour, that is going to equate you to, in order to make $3, you're going to be requiring at least 10 hours to make it happen. So that's kind of like a drawback when it comes to cash cow. So you can't be earning a lot of money with this app, and you are probably going to waste a lot of money if you do so as well. So before we jump into conclusions, let's go into the reviews of cash cow. So if you come here, you can see it's 3.94 stars. But the 5 star, there's a lot of 5 star. I have gone through the 5 star already, so I don't want you guys to look at it. And I have seen a lot of good reviews there, and I have seen a lot of people that are getting paid by this app, so it's all good. But recently the 1 star has been popping out a lot for this app. So let's have a look at some of the 1 stars. So if you go here, you can put the filter in 1 stars, and I have seen quite a lot of problems with this app as well. So if you look at Dana says, do not use this app, is a scam. I cashed out $10 certificate on June 29 that I never received. I emailed the company and received a response saying someone would get back to me, and no one did. So as you can see, Dana hasn't got paid and she got scammed apparently. She didn't get her $10, and that's kind of like a problem. And if you look at June Wells, he says total ripoff. Don't play this app. I played the game and accumulated enough coins to make 3 different cash outs right after the other. It's still pending like 45 minutes after the fact. So again, this guy is not getting paid. So if you look at Elizabeth Brown, I got screwed out of my points tonight. When it was an hour, you get to double your points. I downloaded a game, played for 40 minutes and got nothing added to my account. I'm furious. So the problem with apps like Cash Cow is that sometimes this glitches happen in the app, and sometimes this can ruin our motivation because they promise something to us and we are actually not getting the outcome for it. So overall, I wouldn't really recommend Cash Cow just because many people are not getting paid for the time they have put in. So imagine if you guys play 10 hours a day expecting $3, and if you really didn't get $3, it's going to be a big problem. So they're promising you something and they are not doing it right. So that alone is a big red flag for me. So if it were me, I would have stayed away from this app called Cash Cow. But if you're here to just play games and have fun with it, or if you don't care if you make money or if you make money or if you don't make money, if it doesn't matter to you, I suggest you guys go ahead with Cash Cow. But if you're here to make money with this app called Cash Cow, I wouldn't really suggest, because there are hundreds of different ways that you can make money online. So that's basically it for this video of Cash Cow. And if you're here to make big money online, maybe $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's basically a free affiliate marketing guide. So that's it for this video, and I hope to see you on another review video.